systems installed. And by simply turning those sprinklers on, as you can see, we can help to make it appear as though it's raining for our TV shows or movies. And right on time with the effects tech booth, that looks perfect. Of course, we can add things to that like strobe lights for lightning or booming sound effects to mimic thunder. There we go. And all of a sudden, you got a real storm here in Southern California. And again, awesome job with the effects. But I'd say that's probably more than enough for I think I got my point. Hello? I just thought you guys could cut the whoa. Okay, I think we might have gotten a little bit excited here. Alright, tech booth! And a perfect example of what we love in Hollywood, a practical effect, which I can just show you on screen in one of my favorite childhood movies that filmed right there in Old Mexico, Big Fat Liar, starring Paul Giamatti and Frankie Muniz.